Good afternoon, this is Frank Ganteschi with MarineMax out of Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2015 Sea Ray 290 Sundeck. Stepping onto the swim platform, you'll see the manual submersible swim step, optional sun pad lounger, this boat comes in the tan interior, black hull-side color with blue and white decals. She also comes equipped with an 8.2 big block V8 Merc Cruiser. Moving into the cockpit, you can see you have a lot of space for hanging out. Captain bench and co-captain bench both transfer to make a more cohesive hangout area. For protection from the sun, you have a nice black sports tower with black canvas. Not only does it encompass the full beam of the boat, but you also get great skiing and towing capabilities off of that. Moving to the helm, you have a nice stainless and leather bound wheel, gauges, radio, and a couple cup holders. Moving to the port, you have a large head area with port window, sink, and vacuum flush head. Moving to the bow, you have a nice large forward-facing loungers, a squared off bow so you can fit more people. You have a forward bow ladder to getting on and off at Ticey Shoal or at Treasure Island with a freshwater washdown. For more information on this boat or any boat that MarineMax offers, please call me at 732-330-2609. Thank you for your time.